Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Rio Minho bridge, which is now open to the public. This bridge is part of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000, and this is the bridge we're looking at. Now this is the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica, meaning of all the bridges in Jamaica that are 4 lanes, this is the widest one. Now to the left is a Maypen bypass. That bridge, oh my gosh, what's the name of that bridge? Keeps slipping me. It's not the Maypen bridge though. Maypen bridge is on the other side. It's a metal bridge that you drive on to go into Maypen. But look at the size of that bridge compared to the size of this bridge. This is a massive bridge. To the left is a Maypen bypass. So if you're not taking the highway, you'll use a Maypen bypass. It's like the main road. This is the toll road, the highway. And right here where you see the 2 different colors of the asphalt, that is where the new highway starts. So the old highway used to end at the Maypen roundabout here. But because the new section is open, it's just one continuous road. They have guardrails to the left, a concrete barricade in the middle. So you continue straight on your journey. And those cars that are not using the highway use the left side. As you can see, there's some asphalt to the left. The Maypen bypass is to go straight, not this asphalt, to the left of the roundabout. So I guess they'll work on that. But this is the highway. So this is where the both sections join, and you used to be able to get on the highway right here. But they have blocked it off, and you get on the highway from the Maypen interchange, which is a major interchange, diamond interchange. You can get on or off the highway going in any direction. And you also have an entrance and an exit by Mineral Heights, but that one is limited. If you can get on the highway from Mineral Heights, get on the highway, but you can only head to Kingston. If you're on the highway, you can exit and go into Mineral Heights. So those exits were limited, so they decided to build a diamond interchange further down. We have videos up, you can check it out. That's the asphalt I was talking about. So that road is eventually to just go straight and avoid the roundabout entirely. But we'll keep you guys updated on that. So the highway is open. The Rio Minho bridge is open. All 4 lanes. That's the other bridge I was telling you about. Now compare that bridge, which is 2 lanes, to this bridge, which is 4 lanes. Huge difference. Now, as we continue further down, you're going to see the Maypen interchange. To the left is the China Harbour Engineering Company facility. That's basically like their base of operations, their head office for building this section of the highway. So this is the bridge we're going over again, and there you can see the Rio Minho River. This is what you call progress. To the right is the old bridge. To the left is a new bridge, twice as big. Progress. This is what Jamaica needs, progress. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, the Rio Minho bridge is open. There you can see all 4 lanes operational. Now between Maypen and Mandeville, it's actually free. You don't have to pay a toll. Some serious issues between NROC and Trans-Jamaica Highway. So even if they were to work it out today, the earliest point you could start charging toll is November. So the government said, okay, we'll make it free until December. So until the end of December, the end of the year, you can use this highway for free. And I think you should take a drive out when you get a chance. It's a wonderful highway. China Harbour Engineering Company did an excellent job on this road. Excellent job. And I want all the local contractors to drive on this road, because one day you will be called upon to build a road like this. One day. Jamaica is expanding. sometimes China Harbour Engineering Company is overworked. There were so many projects going on at one point. They couldn't manage, well, let's just say they have a lot of projects and even more to come. Because this highway is going to Hodges and then the Grill, maybe even Montego Bay. You have the other leg of the highway going to Trelawney. You have the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. You have so many projects and even more to come. So I want the local contractors to look at this, because this is where you need to get to for one day. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Oh, I just want to point out, the entire highway is open from Maypen to Williamsfield, not just the bridge. The entire highway is open, and from Maypen to Mandeville is free. Check out the videos. We have videos on the entire highway and the Melrose Hill bypass. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.